Hello everyone. In this video, I'll tell you about Tor browser. We will discuss three things in this video. What is Tor browser, why use Tor browser and how it works. So let's start. First of all, what is Tor? Full name is the Onion Router. Tor is a free browser that will encrypt your requests. It is free and open source software for enabling anonymous communication. So why use Tor? To protect yourself online and stay anonymous while surfing dark web or deep web. It will redirect internet traffic through freely worldwide volunteer overlay. It consists of more than 700 relays to conceal a user's location and usage from anyone conducting network surveillance or traffic analysis. Using Tor make it more difficult to trace internet activity to the user. And how it works, let me show you. First of all, you have to come to this site torproject.org, and then you will see this page. Here you can download it from for your Windows, Mac OS, Linux or Android. And here I have just downloaded it, so I'll open it and run. Okay, so I'm just clicking on finish, and here you will see my Tor browser is downloaded. So there are two options, connect or configure. So you can simply connect it, or if you want to configure it, just tap on it. So there you will see two options. Tor is censored in my country. You have to click on it if Tor is censored in your country. It is not censored in my country, so I am not clicking on it. I use proxy to connect the internet, so you have to click on it if you are using a local proxy to surf the internet. If you are not, then you don't have to click on it. So I am not using any proxy, so I will just click on connect. It usually take 1 to 2 minutes. So here you can see it is just open. Let me close it first. Okay, so it is opened in minimize window. So first of all, you have to check it for updates. Okay, it is already updated. So if it is not updated, you will see update sign here or onion sign here that will tell you to update it. Okay, it is updated, so let's go to its manual. Okay, the most important thing is you don't have to maximize it. If you maximize it, your ISI or your local network provider can trace your packages because JavaScript is enabled, will be enabled, and it is more easy for them to track you. So don't maximize it, just use it as it is. Okay, so here you will see about Tor browser. Okay, so here you will see Tor browser information. Your internet service provider and anyone watching your connection locally will not be able to track your internet activity, including the names and rest of the websites you visit. It is because network consisting of more than 7,000 relays. So it means that it will, here you can see, as you can see here, this PC wants to connect to a website. For example, it wants to go to facebook.com. Its request will come here and then to this PC and then this and then to the website he or she wants to visit. Now what will happen here, if my ISI or any service provider or someone wants to track me, they will get the server or IP of this PC or this server. And if they by social engineering or reverse engineering, if they want to do more, or like they want to track me, first they will get this server and then this and then to me, to my personal PC through which I send the request. But it is just an example. Tor browser use like more than 7,000 servers, due to which it is totally impossible to track or to come to the person who requested to go to the site. Okay, here you will see how to connect it and what to do. And there is one more thing, onion services. So here you can see how to access an onion service. Onion services are those services which are usually known as dark web sites or dark net sites. They are usually known as onion services, where you can buy drugs, you can watch illegal sites. uh, I'm not talking about just porn. There are many other illegal sites where you can buy drugs, you can hire any hitman or like these things. Okay, so here's it. You can do whatever you want to do. And the search engine that is used Tor is the search engine that is used by Tor is DuckDuckGo. Like other browser use Google and Bing.com, similarly it use DuckDuckGo. So here you can search whatever you want. Like I want to search facebook.com, so it will simply open Facebook. Sorry, uh, here it will open Facebook. So here you can see it has opened Facebook for me. I am like sign up or sign in here just like ordinary Facebook. But if I paste it on DuckDuckGo, it will just take me here to its search page, and it is also similar to Google. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel.